To set a animated always on display theme on the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all we'll need to open a settings on our phone. Then we can scroll down and look for the themes. Now when you're inside we need to find AODs and select it, then scroll almost all the way down again, and that way we'll find all of the free AODs that you can download. Select it and then find whichever AOD you like, and some of them won't have an animation, so it's a bit try and find actually. And I'm pretty sure that this one right here has a animation. Yep, it does. So we can download it. And then we can apply it. We can apply it to clock and image or image only. And I'm gonna go with clock and image. Then when we're done, our always on display is applied, and we can lock our device to see if it's actually animated. And here we have it, our always on display, which is actually animated. And that is basically everything.